Good morning and welcome to Morning Conversations with me, Mika. And today, yes, sobrang late na naman natin nagising dahil sobrang sama talaga ng pakiramdam ko. Para ko na asthma, hindi ko malaman kung ano. So, sorry if ganito pa din yung voice ko. But, today, nag-journal na ako and ang pinaka-debrief ko sa sarili ko ay ang hirap bumalik sa routine lately if you're not okay 100%, like mentally, physically, emotionally, ganyan. So, kaya parang lately, ang late ko din magising kasi hindi nga talaga ako okay physically. Parang sobrang pagod ko pa. Parang nagka-catch up pa yung body ko sa pagod nung holiday break. So, ngayon ko pa lang talaga siya nararamdaman. But, na-realize ko din na grabe yung urge ko to go back to my routine because everyday nag-alarm pa din ako ng 4 a.m. Tapos hindi ako nakakabangon pero nagigising ako sa alarm, hindi lang ako nakakabangon. So nakakatulog ulit ako. So nag-promise ako sa sarili ko na once I feel better, babalik na talaga ako sa routine ko. Like the whole routine. So yun. I also wrote here that my intention for today is to show up and be in touch with my old self na very professional and strategic sa buhay. So, nilagay ko, kailangan ko ng makialam ulit. Because for the longest time, I was so, ano bang sabihin ko? I was so confident and comfortable na everything will really fall into place. But I guess, kailangan kong i-find yung balance between my feminine side and my masculine side. So that's what I'm working on. And yesterday, I had an alignment with one of the closest people who I happen to work with din. And grabe, nag-iyakan lang kami kasi ang na-realize ko sa kanya ay it will just really take one person to believe in you in order for you to push through with life, to really fight your battles. Fight your battles. Battles? Fight your battles, di ba? And ganun din ako noon, nung nagsisimula ako, as in, that was 7-8 years ago. And nung nagsastart ako, there's only this one person who believed in me. As in, sabi niya, go, mag-ano ka na, mag-resibo ka na, mag-register ka na. Like, that person really believed in me. And dahil sa kanya, nag-push through din ako with what I'm doing now, which is the talent management, di ba? And honestly, ang dami niya din beses na hindi niya lang alam, pero every time na kinakausap niya ako, ay naniniwala pa din siya sa work na ginagawa ko. Grabe, I still continue living my life and I still continue believing in myself too, na kaya ko. And fast forward to now, it's been 7 years. So, grabe talaga yung impact pag naniniwala ka talaga sa tao, and it will really just take one person. And sinabi ko din dito sa journal ko na I want to pay it forward and be that person to other people too, because I know how it feels like na walang naniniwala sa'yo, tapos may isang tao, bugs, parang kaya mo na lahat, di ba? So yun din yung parang goal ko in life. I really want to be that person. So, nakita ko na ang impact. And, ano ba nilagay ko dito? Medyo nag-quantum leap ako. Nasasabi ko na I trust na our talent management business will go big someday, ganyan. And our message will be respected and honored. So, yun. I just really know na parang ngayon kasi it's really planting season. So, mahirap talaga, but naniniwala ako sa lahat ng KOLs under us, sa lahat ng tao around us. Kaya I know that we will go big because without that belief, wala talaga mangyayari, di ba? And yon, lagay ko din dito na so proud of myself because I uploaded my second YouTube video. So if di nyo pa napapanood, okay lang. Huwag nyo na panoorin. Honestly, medyo naiiyak ako sa pinaggagawa ko, but I'm just doing this for myself. I'm just doing this para meron akong balikan someday. Kasi lahat ng yung buong journey ko last year, it was just on paper. So, medyo tinamad ako na basahin pa ulit siya. So, parang pinupunta ko na lang yung mga gusto ko na balikan na memories, ganyan. But this time, but this year, I have this video format, so easily I can look back into it. So, yun, nakaka-happy din kasi kahapon, when I uploaded, merong 2 views. Tapos sabi ko, alam ko naman kung sino na yung mga yun. Syempre, friends ko din yun, di ba? But, that's also the thing, di ba? Naniwala din sila sa akin. They supported me. So, ako din tuloy ngayon, gumagawa pa ako ng isa pang video, di ba? Parang natitrigger yung consistency and discipline mo to do things when there are people cheering for you, di ba? Ayun lang. Ayun lang naman. Nakaka-sharing for today. I hope makaabot ako ng 1 week. And sabi ko sa friend ko na pag nakaabot ako ng 1 week, doon ko na i-share to with other people. Hi, ayun lang naman. I hope today makapag-set kayo ng intention and you will be a vessel to other people para maniwala din sila sa sarili nila. Bye!